Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. PISS or the Pin Index Safety System. So each gas will have a particular pin safety system. So let's look at it. So here this pin, which is this signifies 2 and 5 position. So this is oxygen. Next is nitrous oxide. So nitrous oxide is 3 and 5. So the 5 remains constant. So 5 is here and then is 3 towards this. So this will be nitrous oxide. So the position here is going to be 3:5. Next is air. So how is air? Air is going to be 1. 1 means it is going to be very close and it is going to be slightly above. So this is 1. And next is 5, and this will be the air, that is 1:5. Then comes the carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide will be in the extremes. So both of them will be in extremes, that is 1 and 6. So this is carbon dioxide, it is 1 and 6. Next we look at the NOx. NOx is very significant, it is very characteristic, that is it is 7. So it is right in the center, this is NOx. So some important note is that in terms the mixture is CO2. So if you are having a mixture of CO2 and oxygen, so when there is a mixture of carbon dioxide and oxygen, and when it is greater than 7% of the CO2. So when it is greater than 7% of the CO2, the pin index we use is 1:6, that is carbon dioxide. Next is in terms of the mixture. So if the mixture of CO2 and the O2, this will be less than 7% of the CO2. So in this case, this index which is used is going to be 2:6. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.